Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to teach you how to create tented and non-tented wire in Cadstar. Tented wire is nothing but this solder mask will be there in that tented wires. Like normal pad we are creating, no through hole pad, like that only we'll create. And non-tented wire means there is no mask, okay, in top and bottom side. Without mask we are creating wire. Usually we'll do that. So maybe depend on the client, they'll ask tented or non-tented wire. So this is Cadstar, okay. Go to assignment. Here come wires, okay. This is wire. And now this is 4020. Here this is not tented wire, okay. This is non-tented wire. I am going to create new wires for you, okay. How to create wire? Just type circle underscore anything we can get, like 1632 you make, okay. So this is 32 and drill diameter you take is 16. So this one I have created tented wire. Now non-tented wire. Now I want to create tented. So for this we'll add reassignment, go to top solder assist, give 6 mils extra 36. Similarly again go bottom solder assist 36. Okay, drill size will be same, like add like pad you are creating, no. So this is tented wire, and this circle 20 40 22, this is non-tented wire. Simple, it is very simple to create, okay. Only you need to understand what is that tented or non-tented. So hope this video will be helpful for you all. Any doubt is there, please let me know, comment me. I'll make video, and I think it will helpful for everyone who is facing problem, because these kind of video will not be available in the YouTube, internet, anywhere. So please let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.